Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your mining equipment with Bitmain easy tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your mining equipment with Bitmain, start by visiting the official Bitmain website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Log in to your Bitmain account. Navigate to the products section to explore available mining equipment. Identify the specific model of your current mining rig. Check if there's an upgraded version of your current model. Click on the model to view its specifications and features. Compare the specifications of the new model with your existing equipment. Consider factors like hash rate, power consumption, and efficiency. Once you've made your decision, add the upgraded model to your cart. Proceed to the checkout page. Enter your shipping information accurately. Review your order details carefully. Select your preferred payment method. Complete the transaction to finalize your purchase. After placing the order, monitor your email for confirmation and shipping updates. Once your new equipment arrives, unpack it carefully. Ensure you have all necessary accessories and components included. Power down your existing mining rig before beginning the upgrade process. Disconnect all cables from your current hardware. Remove the old mining equipment from your setup. Install the new mining rig in the same location. Connect all necessary cables to the new equipment. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation. Once everything is connected, power on the new mining rig. Access your mining software on your computer. Update the software settings to incorporate the new hardware. Monitor the performance of your new rig closely during the initial setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.